Hello students, let us discuss a displacement reaction of metal with dilute acid. In earlier video, we have discussed the displacement reaction of metal with water. Now here I am discussing with dilute acid. So first of all, let us recap what are acids. So acids are those substances which when dissolved in water and produces H plus ion as positively charged ion, that is called as acid. So with this we can conclude that most of all acids will have H plus ion common to them. So let me have hydrogen chloride gas. When I dissolve in water, it gives me H plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous. I have HNO3, that's nitric acid. When I dissolve in water, it gives me H plus aqueous, NO3 minus aqueous. If I take sulfuric acid, which when dissolved in water, it gives me 2H plus. There are two H plus ions with sulfuric acid. That's why sulfuric acid generally referred as dibasic acid. It's generally referred as dibasic acid. So it gives two H plus ion in aqueous medium. Now let us start with the discussion on displacement reaction of metal with acid. So we have the metal in activity series like sodium, potassium, calcium which are present at the top of the series. So this metal react very violently, this metal react very violently so as to form corresponding salt and evolves hydrogen gas. But there is an explosion. So you can able to listen the explosive sound when you have potassium, sodium, calcium metal when you react with dilute acid. But as we go down, like in magnesium, aluminium, zinc, they react little bit less violently with dilute acid. Here also they will be forming corresponding salt and releases hydrogen gas. Here we may not get that explosive sound. The explosion sound may not be heard to that extent as it has been heard in the previous three metals like potassium, sodium, and calcium. Now, as we go down, after zinc, we have iron. Iron is typical, which reacts very slowly, which reacts very slowly with acid so as to form corresponding salt and releases hydrogen gas. Now this release of hydrogen gas is very quiet as the reaction is slow. If you put an iron metal in dilute acid, the reaction will take place, but we're not able to observe the typical evolution of hydrogen gas which we have in other cases. Like as rapid evolution is not that much, it reacts very quietly. It reacts with very quietly. Now, next we have lead metal. Now, lead metal generally do not react with dilute acid. Lead metal generally do not react with dilute acid. So, we need to take here hot concentrated acid. Hot concentrated acid. So, lead metal generally react with hot concentrated acid so as to form corresponding salt and evolves hydrogen gas. Now, let us discuss on which of the acids we may take into consideration. Which may take into consideration. Generally, in laboratory, we may come across dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, and dilute nitric acid. Now, in this case, dilute nitric acid is not used because dilute nitric acid acts as strong oxidizing agent, acts as strong oxidizing agent which will oxidize the hydrogen to give you water. Apart from that, it releases colorless nitric oxide gas. It releases colorless nitric oxide gas. So let me have a reaction here. I have a zinc metal, okay, as a solid. I react with HNO3 as a dilute acid in aqueous medium. When it reacts, it gives me zinc nitrate ZnNO3 twice plus colorless nitric oxide gas and water vapor is released. To balance this, I'll have 3, here I have 8, here I have 3, here I have 2, here I have 4. This is your dilute HNO3. So as you can see here, there is no evolution of hydrogen. The hydrogen gas which is evolved, it gets oxidized to water and we get colorless neutral gas, that is nitric oxide. Colorless neutral gas, that is nitric oxide gas. Now, there are two specific cases we need to remember. That is, we have two metals like magnesium and manganese. These are the two metals which react with very dilute, nitric acid, that is 1% nitric acid at low temperature. They result in formation of corresponding nitrate salt and evolves hydrogen gas. So let me have the reaction for these two metals. We can write down here. So I have magnesium metal react with HNO3, that is 1%, that we can call it as a very dilute. Okay, so as to give me magnesium nitrate, it is MgNO3 twice, and produces hydrogen gas. I'm having here multiplied by 2 in order to balance the equation. Same way, I have another metal, that is manganese. I have manganese metal that also reacts with 1% HNO3, that is very dilute, so as to form corresponding manganese nitrate MnNO3 twice and releases hydrogen gas. So these are the two assumption cases which we need to remember for the reaction of dilute nitric acid to evolve salt and hydrogen gas. We form corresponding salt and evolve hydrogen gas. So this can be asked as, name the following question. Name the metal which react with very dilute nitric acid so as to form corresponding salt and evolves hydrogen gas. Now in the next video we will try to discuss about the reaction of metals with acid. That means I will try to give balanced chemical equation to understand the reaction of metals in activity series with dilute hydrochloric and dilute sulfuric acid. Thank you for watching.